Hi and welcome. This is Design with LEESI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio of your video using CapCut. To do this, first tap on the new project to select the video you want to change this on. For this, I'm going to use this particular video to demonstrate this. Now select the video you want to use. Here is the video I'll be using this. Select the video, tap on the add icon at the bottom side here to add it to your timeline. Select that and your video is going to take the default aspect ratio of that video that you downloaded. Now let's say we want to change the aspect ratio of this video to a TikTok aspect ratio. How do you do that? This is how you can go about that. At the bottom side here, you are going to scroll to your left hand side just like this, and among this option you will see ratio here. Now select the ratio, and these are several aspect ratio that you can use on CapCut. We have the 9:16, we have the 1:1, 16:9, which is a YouTube aspect ratio. We have the 4:3, and if you scroll to your left hand side, you can see other aspect ratio that you can change your video to. For this, select the aspect ratio that you are looking for. I'm going to select the TikTok aspect ratio, and we are going to see our aspect ratio changes like this. Now when you are saving this video, this entire area will be saved as the video. Now if you want your video to span to the entire screen, this is what you are going to do. Select your video layer, select it, use your finger on the screen to enlarge your video to scale it up just like this to fill the entire screen. Now let's play this and see the outcome. And this is how you change aspect ratio of your video using CapCut. See you in my next video.